3 tips as an LCM piano teacher. When you know the key of the piece, everything will be more understandable. Here we have the key of G major. It starts on G, has an F sharp, and of course ends on G. Its first chord is G, B, D. And here is the first chord of G major scale. Now you know what you are doing here, and it becomes more familiar. As you can see, the left hand starts with G, B, D. In the right hand, we are also starting with G major. So practice the G major scale before you start the piece. You should divide this piece into 2 groups, like A and B. The first 2 lines are the entry of the piece, and they're the same, so let's call them group A. And the last 2 lines are the group B. I recommend that you practice these 2 groups individually. Practice these first 2 lines many times, and when you feel safe with it, continue with the group B and practice it many times. This will be a very important tip. I recommend you learn the left hand very well and then forget it. I mean, forget to think about it. Let your fingers do the work. Meanwhile, you can pay attention to your right hand and the dynamics. Let me show you an example. Here we have B, G, C, G, B, G, C, G, B, G. You should learn it very well and then forget how to do it, okay? You should teach your fingers how to do it. After a while, you'll see that your fingers will play this section and you won't have to think about this section, okay? You're just playing your right hand and the fingers will do the work. Try to teach your fingers muscle memory this section. Here we have different dynamics: piano, mezzo forte and forte. You should practice here individually. Start gentle. Make it a little bit higher and very loud. It's a perfect practice for different dynamics. And the most important tip is